Alright, welcome everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the markup tools within the BIMCollabPro Pro environment. Advantages of using this workflow. You're keeping all of your markups within the same software package. That makes it a lot easier to track and implement those changes. What we're hearing from clients is their typical workflow is they use an external PDF editor to do their markups. They issue that markup to site, and then it never gets implemented back into the main documentation set.
We've got a pencil and highlighter which work exactly as you would expect them to. Draw manually on there, or similarly you can highlight. Down here we can determine border and fill colors. Obviously that relates more to the shape drawing tool, which we'll get to in a moment. But if we change the border, that's also going to change our pen color, or in this case the highlighter color. But they're all consistent and all run through. And as I said, we can also draw some shapes. And once that exists, we can actually move that into place as well, or come back and edit that as we want to. So that was the arrow. We've also got straight lines, which might be a bit neater than the pen tool, which is a bit loose. And also we can see here we've got, a rectangle tool, which we can then stretch and resize. Circle tool. But as I said, we can change the border and the fill independently. And I guess this big cross, which would be for, maybe saying delete. Quite handy. Similarly, we can add text. You can see that border out, so it's a bit neater. And we maintain that border and fill color. See there, but once we're in the edit mode, we can actually change it from within there as well. We can change the opacity, we can do all sorts of things, change the text color to whatever we need it to be, and continue to resize as necessary. We've got a cloud tool, operates the exact same way. A callout tool, so you can add your text the same as we did before, but you can also drag that leader down to wherever we want it to be. And then there is the polygon tool as well, which anyone used to Revit or AutoCAD more so is going to be used to that sort of functionality. So that's the basic markup tools. The last thing is once we're happy with what our markup looks like, we can use our selection tool to swipe through and grab all those things, and we can in fact publish them to the set. So once we've done that, anyone else that has access to that shared set can also see those changes.
Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope that was informative. If you'd like more of the same, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can contact us via our website, www.viewlistic.com.au.